Your calendar just reminded you about a meeting. Your inbox already filtered out the spam. Your phone unlocked before you even looked at it properly. None of that needed you. That is an AI agent. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what that means. You have probably heard the term AI agent everywhere recently. Every major tech company is talking about them. But most explanations assume you already know what they are. This one starts from scratch. You already know that AI can learn from data and get better over time, but a regular AI is passive. You open it, you ask it something, it gives you an answer. The moment you close it, it stops completely. An AI agent is fundamentally different. It does not sit and wait to be asked. It is always watching, always processing, always ready to act, completely on its own. Think of a smart thermostat in a modern home. It reads the room constantly. It notices the temperature has dropped. It decides the heating needs to go on. It turns it on. Then a few minutes later, it checks again and adjusts. You never told it to do any of that. It just acted. That single loop, observe, decide, act, repeat, is the entire foundation of how an AI agent works. The agent was not guessing. It was trained on thousands of examples. It learned what a comfortable home feels like. And now it applies that knowledge every single minute without ever needing to be reminded. A self-driving car is a much more sophisticated version of the same idea. Its cameras and sensors are reading the road thousands of times per second. Every moment it is making decisions, maintain speed, slow down, check the lane, watch that pedestrian. No human is making those calls. The agent handles all of it continuously in real time. Now bring this back to your own daily routine. Think about how many small decisions you make just to manage the flow of information in your life. Sorting emails, checking your calendar, scrolling through notifications. An AI agent can handle all of that automatically. And unlike you, it never gets distracted, never gets tired, and gets better every single day. Your spam filter is a perfect example. Every email that arrives gets evaluated instantly. The agent reads it, compares it against everything it has learned, makes a decision, and acts. All before you ever open the app. Here is the distinction that really matters. A traditional computer program is reactive. It only does something when you tell it to. An AI agent is proactive. It acts on your behalf even when you are completely unaware it is working. This is why businesses around the world are adopting AI agents so rapidly. A single AI agent can handle customer enquiries around the clock, flag unusual activity, process incoming orders, and generate reports, all simultaneously, without breaks, and at a fraction of the cost of a human team. For small business owners, this is particularly significant. Tasks that previously required hiring staff can now be handled by an AI agent running quietly in the background. Available every hour of every day. The AI agents available today are impressive, but they are simple compared to what is being built right now. Understanding what an AI agent is, right now at this early stage, puts you significantly ahead of most people around you. You now know what an AI agent is. You know the loop it runs on, you know why businesses are racing to adopt them, and you know why this matters for your life. Subscribe for more plain and simple AI explanations every week, and drop a comment below. What would you like me to explain next? I read every single one. That's AI, plain and simple.